This video is going to be for the song Fight the Fine Fight of the Faith. It's a JW Broadcasting original song. I'm just going to do a playthrough of it first, and if you like it, you can take the time to learn it. So let me get us queued up here, and this is how I play it.
Jehovah see it. Just a little love on the earth. And I will wipe out every tear. Just a little love on the earth. The new world is in sight. Just keep on holding tight. I'll help you win this.
Alright, so that's a playthrough. The chords that you're going to need to play this song are D, A, or A/C sharp. You can play either one of those that sound good to you, or that's easiest for you. A B minor, which you can play this way with the B note, or just the bar chord. It's pretty close. And the G, E minor, A again, and A/E, which you can also play as A/C sharp. That's C sharp note. So for the bridge especially, that sounds nice when you add that. For the bridge, there's also a D/D, if you follow along with the chords that I'm going to put in the link there at Guitar Tabs. So those are the chords. The strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's basically just a down, up, but after each chord change during the verses, so you're going to do a pinky mute. And when you're doing that pinky mute, that's when you're going to strum up. So so that pinky mute takes a little bit of practice. If you press down too hard, you'll get, you get a ring out or a buzz on the strings. You don't just get the percussion sound. So you want to practice to where you can just get that percussion without any ringing, just the percussion. And I think that's it as far as the introduction. I was forgetting the introduction. So the intro, you just with your pointer finger press down C string, 1st fret, and you're going to hammer on with your middle finger to that 2nd fret, and then pluck up on the A string. So playing it fast, and then immediately you're going to play your D, A, and block. So with that up strum, that mute. So that's how I play that intro, just, and then the D, A, B minor, and then when you get to the chorus, pre-chorus, so you saw how it switched from the muting pattern to just just a up, down, up, down, up, down. Just try to follow along with the guitar in the original and follow the pattern, and you'll come up with your own style. But hopefully this helps give at least a baseline as to how to play this song, Fight the Fine Fight of the Faith, on the ukulele. Have fun.